Double decker. I can't spin it. No.
Now you make 3 golf balls.
We're making balloon animals on our way to San Diego.
I'm done. Mine keeps on.
I'm having fun because I'm driving.
Mine keeps on deflating.
Jeff, are you having fun?
Lots of fun.
They keep turning up like I spin it. You have to spin it like 5 times.
Charlie, what happened? Charlotte, tell me what happened. Your balloon popped? How did it pop?
What? Dad, how do you make that?
Look, I have a
Show us, Jeff. What are you making?
dog.
Ooh.
Okay, now hang on.
Dad, you need to help the kids.
I know, guys. I know.
McKay, what happened?
See, this is and they can't push the button.
Okay, so we've learned don't buy balloons to make balloon animals at the dollar store. Are you stressed out, Jeff?
A little bit.
Dang those balloon animals.
Well, it's like, Dad.
Camden, let me see.
Look, it's Stella.
I can't make
It's
the net.
Stella.
I wanna.
No,
Camden
hey.
Johnson. Okay, play with it, and then I'll make everybody else one.